I've already made my analysis for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday and today is Sunday, and we're going into a new trading week. I want to share my expectations with you guys, what I'm expecting on DXY, and what I'm looking forward to on Euro USD and gold as well. But before that, I think I've been seeing some persons complain about ICT, that they don't understand the concepts, they don't understand anything at all. Like, some of the videos are very long. See, let me be frank with you guys. ICT can be very, very complicated, but I still think that if you pay close attention, right? If you pay close attention, you will get to understand what he's saying. And yeah, some of the videos are very long. That's unfortunate. Some of the videos are long, like 2 hours, 1 hour. But I don't think, let's be honest, I don't think that's a reason for you not to watch, or not for you not to learn, right? I don't think there's any reason for somebody not to learn. Okay, let me give you for instance. If it's a Netflix movie, if it's a movie, I'm very sure that some of you will sit down 3 hours just to watch that movie. So the thing here is, it's not about the long hours, it's not about the 3 hours, it's not even about the 4 hours. ICT videos are usually 1 hour, 2 hours, 50 minutes, 40 minutes. Yes, they are long, they're a bit long, but I still think you can pay attention, and if you want it that badly, right? So my best mentor is ICT, and I love trading ICT, and yeah, I don't think I'm ever going to do any other strategy. I don't think so. So I love ICT, and I love using ICT concepts. So that's that. But I hear some people complain a lot that it's hard. There's so much to learn: inversion, fair value gap, order block, breaker block, mitigation block, turtle soup, BC, CB, all those stuff, all those ICT stocks, all those ICT, what should I call it, all those ICT names, right? So I don't think there's any reason why anybody shouldn't learn. It just comes down to what you prefer, right? If you feel like ICT is not for you, then you can learn something else. There's SMC, there's the supply and demand zone, there's other strategy. So you just do you, right? Do you, and do what's best for you. So I'm just going to share my screen with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm watching and what I'm expecting right now. Let's go. This is DXY, and whenever I start any analysis, I always start with the DXY because the US dollar is what I use to determine what other pairs will do, right? So, and these are the tickers I'm watching. I'm watching the DXY, I'm watching Euro USD, I'm watching GBP USD, I'm watching gold, I'm watching silver, and I'm watching BTC. I don't trade much, so, but let's start off with the DXY, right? So you can see I've already made my analysis on DXY. And this is the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, this fair value gap, price respected this fair value gap. And after price respected this fair value gap, right, we traded higher. We took out this high. And if you go down to the monthly time frame, let me show you. So if you go down to the monthly time frame, you see that high is this high right here. So we swept that high, we swept this monthly high, and that is why price rejected after sweeping this high. You can see it yourself that price rejected after the high was taken out. So this high was taken out and price rejected a little bit, and now this is a new month and we are trading bullish. But let's go back to the daily time frame. So I'm bullish on the DXY, which means I'm bearish on Euro USD and I'm bearish on GBP USD. So we took out this high, we came back into discount level. Now if you trade ICT, I think you should be familiar with premium level and discount level. So after price took out this high, price came back down to discount level. And if there's any PDRA, when I mean PDRA, I mean support. I mean a support level as price respected. And this is another block. This is a bullish order block, right? And the midpoint of this order block, you can see that price respected the midpoints of the order block. You can see after price traded into the order block, the midpoint, we rejected. We had this rejection candle, and the next candle that followed up was a bullish candle, and the next one that followed up was a bullish candle, closing above this inversion fair value gap. So generally, I'm expecting price to trade higher to this buy side liquidity. So this is what I'm simply looking for on the DXY. And on Euro USD, I'm looking for the opposite, right? I'm looking for the opposite. So this is just the opposite of what I'm looking for. We respected this resistance level, we traded low, but on this scenario we didn't take out this low and we just traded up. We almost took out this high, but we didn't. But now price is coming back down, and we disrespected this inversion fair value gap. So I'm looking for lower prices to this relatively equal lows. And I told you guys I took a trade on GBP USD. I took a trade on GBP USD, and I took the trade on Thursday. So after this rally into this fair value gap, this candle right here is Thursday candle. I'm just gonna delete this. So this Thursday candle, and let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. And before I took this trade, I've been on losing streak, like massive losing streak, and those losing streak was basically my fault. I didn't trade my strategy, and even if I did, I was revenge trading. So the idea of this trade, after price tapped into the daily imbalance, we had this down movement, right? We traded down, and this zone you're seeing here, this resistance level you're seeing here, is from the 4-hour time frame. I'll show you. So it's from the 4-hour time frame. So all I was looking for was price to tap into this imbalance and give me an entry model, so I can enter to target this low right here. So let's go back to the 1-hour time frame. So immediately price tapped into that level. I just went down to 5-minute time frame, and all I was looking for was an FEG or imbalance to just catch the trade. So you can see price tapped into the 4-hour imbalance, and immediately price created the third candle that formed the fair value gap. I just entered, right? I just entered because the entry and the S where my SL will be is close, so it's not that far, so I don't mind entering. And you can say that, okay, why didn't I take the trade right here on this imbalance? Well, I can do that, but sometimes if price is really bearish, price will just go down without trading into this imbalance. So I've experienced this thing a lot, but the most important thing is my entry and the stop loss isn't far, which is nice. And you can see that the trade gave me, the trade is 1:4, so I'm still holding this trade. Let me so you can see where we are currently at right now. So this is our price is currently at. So let's say this is more like 1:2 or 1:2. Yes, this is more like one. Price has already given me 1:2. So I'm still going to keep holding until price gets to my TP. So this is what I'm watching on for now. And gold, I'm not trading gold because I don't really know what gold is up to. And on Friday, we didn't have any stuff on Friday. So I'm just gonna chill until I see a clear setup on gold. But for now, I'm neutral. I'm not trading gold because the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame hasn't given me a clear direction. So this is what I'm watching, guys.